This video presents the new Startup Dialog in ARCHICAD. Users work on multiple projects daily, opening them every morning. ARCHICAD's new Startup Dialog focuses on recent projects. This new function allows the user to open multiple projects in different ARCHICAD instances in one go, for faster and easier startup. Let's start ARCHICAD by clicking its shortcut. The new Startup Dialog appears. Please note, if you start ARCHICAD by clicking on the project file, this dialog will not appear. New, Browse, and Teamwork options can be found on top. When choosing New, you can get to a dialog similar to the dialog opened with New command via File menu. Here you can choose Template and Work Environment Profile. If you choose Browse, you can access the ARCHICAD file browser dialog directly. Teamwork opens the dialog opened by the Open Join Teamwork Project command. Here you can choose from the available teamwork projects. Under these buttons, the Recent Projects list can be found. Here are the projects listed that have been opened or saved with the current version. You can browse among these projects in Tile or List view. You can search or filter the files by name or keywords. By clicking on the Settings icon, you will find pre-selection settings for opening legacy and archive projects. For example, you can check the Read Elements Directly from Archive checkbox, which will from now on be valid for any archive plan that has been opened from startup. Plans can be sorted freely by name, date, size, type. Different file types are distinguished by the list, for example PLN, BPN, PLA, TPL, MOD, and the recovery files after crash. Select the project from the list and click the Open Selected button or just double-click on it. Use the Delete, Backspace, or blue X sign at the item to delete the actual plan from the list. For recovery files, a red X appears. By clicking on it, you can delete the element and the recovery data as well. By hovering above the elements of the list, an info tag appears with information about the plan. For example, project name, file saving location and time, project ID, project status, etc. It is possible to open several projects at once. When selecting multiple projects, after clicking the Open Selected button, the projects will open in several ARCHICAD instances in the order of selection. If a local recent file is not available, for example, it has been replaced or it shows to an unavailable external server, it will appear grayed out in the Startup Dialog with a Not Available overlay. In Tile View, projects are displayed with alternating large preview images saved from tabs. The icon in the top left corner of Preview will show the file type if there is a preview for the file. In this case, the info tag appears when hovering above the tile preview. In this view, you can close it by clicking on the blue X sign in the top right corner of the tile. You can also change the order and sorting of items in the Tile view by using the Sort By control group above the list. To sum up, the new Startup Dialog of ARCHICAD makes easier and speeds up the opening process of ARCHICAD projects for you.